Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a Dividend Total Return Calculator for income plus price growth works. A Dividend Total Return Calculator helps investors measure the full return from a dividend stock by combining dividend income with price growth. This is important because a strong dividend investment is not only about receiving cash income, but also about how the stock price changes over time. First, you enter the starting inputs. These usually include the current stock price, annual dividend, expected price growth rate, dividend growth rate, time period, and optional reinvestment assumptions. These inputs help the calculator estimate both income return and capital appreciation. Next, the calculator estimates dividend income. It does this by multiplying the annual dividend by the number of shares owned. If dividend growth is included, the calculator may also estimate how dividend income could increase over the years. After that, the calculator estimates price growth. For example, if a stock is bought at $50 and later rises to $62, the increase in share price becomes part of the investor's return. This price increase is known as capital appreciation. Then, the calculator combines income and price growth. Dividend income is added to price gain to calculate total return. So, even if a stock pays dividends, the final result depends on both the cash received and the change in stock value. In addition, the calculator may account for reinvestment. When dividends are reinvested, they can buy more shares over time. More shares may produce more future income and can help increase compounding, especially for long-term investors. Next, the calculator calculates total return using a simple formula. It adds ending value and dividends received, subtracts the starting value, and then divides the result by the starting value. For example, if the starting price is $50, the ending value is $62, and dividends received are $6, the total return becomes 36%. After that, investors can compare different scenarios. A conservative scenario may assume lower dividend growth, lower price growth, and low reinvestment. A moderate scenario may use balanced assumptions. On the other hand, an aggressive scenario may assume higher dividend growth, higher price growth, and higher reinvestment. These comparisons show how small assumption changes can create different return outcomes. Finally, investors can use the result for better decisions. The calculator can help compare income stocks, set realistic return expectations, review portfolio performance, and match investments with long-term financial goals. For example, an investor may buy a stock at $50, receive $6 in dividends, and later see the price rise to $62. In this case, the investor earns from both dividend income and share price growth, creating a total return of around 36%. So, the key idea is simple. A dividend total return calculator helps investors measure how dividend income and price growth work together to build wealth. Strong dividend investing is not only about income, it is also about total return. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.